the next time that you find yourself in a stew, regardless of how practical it seems, just quietly note and ask yourself, why is there negativity involved in a practical decision? What does negativity have to do with what I need to do? And if you just ask yourself that question, you'll start to see that there is always something at the bottom of what it calls practical that's pushing you to get something reconciled in your life. And eventually you'll realize that thought can't reconcile anything. And that you've made 1,000 practical decisions, as all of us have, and yet still comes the next practical decision that has all of that pain in it. Why is there pain in a practical decision? Do you think anybody ever asks themselves that? I can tell you they don't. You know why? Because it's so enriching to see how important I am to struggle over this practical question. There's nothing to struggle over in a practical question. The struggle is me trying to save my identity through some condition I want to control that I call practical. And it's not. Separate wheat from chaff. You'll see. Just ask yourself, if I'm struggling here and I'm negative or I'm in pain, maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing in that moment.